are heading down the road. We've just passed Clarksville High School. I'm here at the River Club golf course and a nice little restaurant. We're heading to this home that I'm really excited about for you guys. It is just a few minutes away from 2 golf courses. We just passed the River Club and we're heading up to another one called Swan Lake, and that is off this road here to the left, as well as a state park that has a cave called Dunbar Cave. And we're heading up to this great little ranch house that is in the Rossview school zone. Okay, so the Rossview school zone is a great school zone with highly rated sports and academic programs. It is off,
at the next light, turn left.
It is off exit 8. Clarksville is comprised of exit 11, 8, 4, and 1. So if you take a right at this light that I'm about to take a left on, it takes you to the interstate, to that exit 8. So if you stay straight on this highway, it takes you over to all of the shopping, the Target, our mall here in Clarksville. So this location is really good. The bowling alley is just right up there, and there is a ton of new construction going in up here to the left, a new strip mall, and some new apartments. So I am loving this location.
At the stop sign, take a sharp right turn onto Bellamy Lane, then take the first left onto Stokes Road.
So turning into the neighborhood here.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Centennial Drive.
We just have all of these little brick ranches with basements. They all look very similar. Of course, basements.
Turn left onto the destination is on your left. Arrived.
All right, we are in Centennial Drive. This home was built in 1992, and including the finished basement area, we've got about 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and basically a bonus room, which is the finished space downstairs, and a 2-car garage. So let's go take a look. First, we have the master bedroom here. We have 1 window and a bifold closet here. They've updated the lighting fixtures throughout the house, so that's nice. We have a full bathroom in this bedroom. They've updated this bathroom. We've got a little linen closet here to the left. They put the beadboard in. Nice fixtures and mirror. Tiled shower. And the wood on the ceiling. So we do only have 1 sink. That's all right though for the price point. So this is the split floor plan. 1 bedroom on this side, 2 bedrooms on the other side. We do have hardwood floor here in the main area. So a comfortable living room that can fit the full sectional couch. Instead of the stairs being walled off, it is open, which gives it a large feeling in here. I'm sure with all of these curtains open, it would feel very nice and large. Next 2 bedrooms are here on the other side of the house. Standard size bedroom with a walk-in closet. They've turned this into basically just a large extra closet space, dressing room, for the owner with, you know, just shoes and clothes here. So we would want to remove this off the wall and turn this back into a bedroom. And bedroom number 3 here looks off the back with another walk-in closet, which is great. Here is the hall bathroom. We just have linoleum flooring. Again, we updated the lighting fixtures. The ceiling looks great in here. No moisture issues. Have the drop-in tub. All right, we have definitely a nice dining area. This table seats 6, so it's actually bigger than what most people would put into their dining room. Here in the kitchen, they have done a little DIY on the cabinets, painted the bottom half that turquoise. Looks like they have put in new countertops, probably a quartz countertop. So you can see the paint isn't just perfect on these. Overall, it looks really good if you're not standing too close. Looks like these could take another coat of paint. I'm seeing just a little bit of imperfection on the ceiling. This ceiling looks like it used to be a popcorn ceiling that has been scraped and fixed over time. Have a pantry here. And I like this little coffee bar area. All right, so we will head downstairs now. All right, and heading downstairs, this is your large bonus room. It is open, there's no door from downstairs to upstairs, so it's kind of just a continuation of the living level. So plenty of room down here to put a game room, workout station, and you do have a door that looks off the back. We just have drop-in tile ceilings down here. Okay, so we're going to check around here to really make sure that the foundation looks great and there's no signs of moisture. We just had extremely heavy rains, so now would be the time that we would be able to tell. Looks like we could maybe put some more seal on this block here, but otherwise no signs of water intrusion. Let's keep looking around in here. Everything appears to be completely dry over here in the corner. I would probably just put a little bit of drylock on these blocks, but zero signs of moisture actually coming in. And all of the block also looks really great with no cracks in it. You can see all of the insulation looks really good from this level to the upper level. And it is really nice to have this 2-car garage here. Have lots of storage in this house. And this water heater here looks like it is on gas. So natural gas here in the house. Just some extra storage underneath here. Really nice garage. I'm taking a closer look at this storage unit here, and I am going to recommend just a whole new coat of Drylock here in this room, just to make sure that everything, all the moisture is sealed out. And also I am wondering about the way they have this secured here. So that's the brick, which is, you know, the front of the home. So I guess this portion was an addition. I'm guessing it's just the front porch. It looks like it's fine. Nothing is bowing, but it is interesting. All right, let's head outside. So we do have a fenced backyard here. We do have brick on the bottom level here. There is siding on the top level. Looks like this deck needs a good power wash. They were unsure of the age of this unit. Definitely not brand new, but also not ancient as well. So for anybody that might have animals, they can let them outside here. And we have a nice fenced backyard that is wooded. Looks like a dry creek might run through here whenever we get rain, but really nice backyard with lots of trees that are far enough off the house that they shouldn't cause any issues. Little rope swing there. All right, let's take a look around. Siding looks like it is in great condition. Again, this house was built in 1992. Everything looks like it is in good condition back here. No cracks in the brick, no holes in the siding. This is a rubber mulch, so that's great. Shouldn't have any weeds really come up through it. We have a really good front yard out here. Have a garden bed with some perennial plants. We are unsure of the age of the roof. Doesn't look too old, also not brand new. The owner has been here for 3 years, so they are unsure of the age of the roof. But a really nice brick front with the covered front porch. And they do have a nice secured door on here. We have tile on the front porch, and this is the area that we were in that is storage underneath. Gutters look like they're in good condition. Probably need to move this splash pad up a little bit. And I guess that fireplace is vented. Good to know. So this is a gas fireplace, and it did appear that it was vented out there. I would recommend adding a mantle here just so that the heat cannot escape. They make those the right temperature resistant, so I would add a mantle here. There are a few imperfections on the tiles here, and I'm not sure why this one is bowing like that, but I would have the home inspector take a look at that. Okay, as far as the condition of this deck, it looks like it needs to be pressure washed and treated. Maybe a few of the boards need to go ahead and be replaced. Like maybe that one. Otherwise, it is in okay condition. It doesn't appear to be old or wobbly at all, but it is not new and will eventually need to be updated.